Hello students, I am Professor S. D. Sheikh. Welcome you all in this new video. In this video, we are going to start section. It is necessary to draw first section line. Section line must pass through WC and staircase. So draw section line first. Section line should be one long line, two short line, one long line, two short lines. It must pass through WC and bath. Give direction. You may give direction upward also, depending upon the situation. Show arrow and give name AB, section line AB. We have to draw a section line, section through line AB, so called as section AB. So now first of all, take a reference line of building edges. Now from second source, okay. Now draw ground level line as usual. Also show the symbol of ground level. Okay. So after this, take plinth height 1 meter. Okay. So plinth height is marked. After that, slab level should be marked. Slab level is 3 meter from flooring. Okay, after slab level, mark plinth level. Plinth level is taken as 1.2 meter from slab level. Okay, all the necessary heights are marked. Only the height of staircase is remaining, or we can say the headroom is remaining. Okay, show all the lines and also show all the levels: plinth level, slab level, and parapet level. Now draw details of plinth filling. First of all, in plinth, PCC is there. If you start from upward direction, PCC of 0.15 meter width, plain cement concrete. Okay, then rubber soling. Mark rubber soling of 0.3 meter. Okay, mark first PCC with the help of different color so that you will understand better. So it is very easy to draw section, nothing to worry. Show the concrete. This is symbol of concrete. PCC means concrete. Now show rubber soling, symbol of rubber soling. Usually rubber soling is taken as 0.23 meter to 0.3 meter depending upon the load or situation of soil. So in this case we have taken thickness of rubber soling 0.3 meter. Okay. Show the correct symbol of rubber soling. And after rubber soling there is last course which is situated to earth called as morum filling. If you start from bottom, first should be morum should be filled, then rubber soling is there, and above rubber soling 0.15 meter thick PCC should be laid, and on PCC flooring should be laid. Okay, PCC soling morum filling, PCC of 0.15, soling of 0.3, and morum filling of morum filling of remaining 1 minus PCC plus soling, remaining morum filling. Okay, now mark lintel level, because in section line first of all WC is cut, ventilator of WC is cut. So ventilator of WC is situated at lintel level. So mark lintel level, and below lintel level mark ventilator. So ventilator is having height 0.5 meter. So this is drawing with the scale of 0. This is drawing with the scale of 1:50. So take double. Okay, so in this way, ventilator is marked, and below ventilator there is whole brickwork. So brickwork of symbol should be shown like this: two lines of of an angle of 45 degree. Okay, now mark WC. How much the width of WC, or we can say we can take direct reference line of WC. Take reference line. Take reference line up to lintel level. The thickness of wall of WC. So in this case, door of WC is cut. So show door. So door should be shown like this. Two lines, and middle line shows the frame of WC, shutter of WC, door. So it should be shown like this. Now the slab of WC should be shown. Slab should be shown above the slab level, above the lintel level, having 0.1 meter thickness slab, 0.1 meter. WC and bath having thickness of slab 0.1 meter. Show the symbol of RCC slab. Okay, now we have taken section line in upward, in downward direction. So if you stand in front of section line, you will see the door of bathroom. So show the door of bathroom. This door. Show first door of bathroom. We are looking in downward direction, therefore we will see the details in downward direction of section line. If arrows are shown on upward side, then we will see the two adjacent door of two bedrooms. Now in this case, arrows are shown in downward direction, so we will see door of bathroom. So in this way, door of bathroom is shown. Now if you stand in front of if you walk on section line, then you will see another door of kitchen. So take reference line of door of kitchen. Okay, door is shown up to the lintel level. So all the doors and windows having same height, that is 2.1 meter, also called as lintel level. Show this door. After, if you walk on section line again, so adjacent thickness of wall is shown. So wall is not cut by section line, therefore we are not going to provide a symbol of brickwork that we have shown in case of first wall. So in this case, this wall is not cut by section line, therefore we are not going to provide symbol. Okay, now next is, first of all, take this wall level up to slab. Now if you walk again on section line in forward direction, then you will see the opening of living room. Show the opening, take reference line, and it should be up to lintel level. Okay, and all unnecessary line should be erased out. Okay, now staircase is remaining. So you can see the trades of staircase. Take a reference line of all staircase one by one. Reference line of all trades. So if you see any staircase from upward direction, you will see trades. And if you see staircase in forward direction, or you can see as a elevation, you can see the risers. So in this case, take trades of 0.25 meter width. Take these lines up to slab level. So we have taken this up to lintel level. It is necessary to take up to slab level. Take up to sub slab level because our staircase is going up to from flooring level to slab level. So in each staircase, if height floor to floor height is 3 meter and rise and trade is 0.25 meter and 0.15 meter respectively, then total number of steps in one staircase should be 20. 10 in one flight, 10 in other flight. Okay. Mark mid landing level, and below mid landing there should be 10 steps, and above mid landing there should be again 10 steps. So mark riser. So riser is 0.15 meter. So mark riser of 0.15 meter, 10 risers. So in this way risers are marked. Now start steps. First step, first riser, then trade, riser, trade, riser, trade. In this way staircase up to mid landing level should be completed. This is up to the mid landing level. So landing should be shown. Sufficient width for waist slab should be shown. Before that, start new flight again, and lastly rise trade, and this is a last step. Now show waist slab thickness. This is waist slab thickness of 0.15 meter. This is a beam. Again show the waist slab for next flight. Also show the thickness of slab. Thickness of slab should be equal to the riser. That means 0.15 meter. Thickness of slab is shown. Now show the symbol of RCC slab. That is symbol of concrete. This is RCC beam which is in front, which is below the slab level. And all the unnecessary, or what we can say, the reference lines should be rough out. Rough all the lines which are not needed. Fair the drawing. Now show the headroom. So in case of width of headroom, or before we can say we will draw the symbol of remaining wall. Okay, for window of staircase it is necessary to first draw the sill height. Sill height is taken up to 0.5 meter. Mark 0.5 meter. And window of 1.5 meter height. Mark window. Window of staircase. And also draw the lintel over the window. Okay. Now take width of staircase. Width of staircase landing. In staircase one landing is there, front landing, and accordingly take a rear landing also. So one staircase should have two landing. One necessary landing, what we can say the forward landing, and second landing up to the slab level. So take the reference line and mark the landing. External wall. Pick up this external wall up to 2.3 meter. So height of staircase or height of headroom is taken as 2.3 meter from slab level. Mark it. And show the thickness of slab of 0.15 meter. And remaining symbol of wall. So in this case, door is cut. Door which is open at terrace level, which is cut by section line. Therefore, it is necessary to show the symbol. draw the middle line which shows the door is cut, and also the chajja over door is also cut by section line, therefore it is necessary to provide the chajja also. Chajja is comprises of concrete and all the steel, therefore we have to provide the symbol of concrete also. Also show the RCC slab symbol of headroom. And this is wall and remaining is RCC slab. This is also RCC beam. Now all is completed. Now give some names. First of all, rise and trade. Trade is equal to 0.25 meter. Riser, all of you know, 0.15 meter. This is slab which of 0.15 meter thick, RCC slab of 0.15 meter thick. Now this is loft. The slab of W sandbar is called as loft. Also this is a RCC slab of 0.15 meter thick. This is RCC beam. This is lintel which is provided over the window of staircase. This is window of staircase. And this is ventilator. Ventilator of WC which is cut by the section line. So in this way the section is completed. And give name section AB because the name given to the section line is AB, therefore this is section AB. Okay, section line AB and section AB. So now in case of staircase, so upward flight is first of all cut, therefore show the symbol to the first flight which is going from flooring level to the mid landing level. Show the symbol because that flight is cut by the section line. Okay, this is all about the section. Thank you very much.